Hello, in this video I will show you some things about your Junghans mantel alarm clock. As you can see, I installed a small piece of foam. This is to secure the balancing wheel during shipment. Remove it carefully, don't pull it out like this, but slowly and carefully, please. Sorry for the noise, I'm in the middle of a construction at home, like this. And you can see that the balancing wheel does not run. There are two options. You can either put your finger on top of the wheel and give it a little push. There it goes. Another option, which perhaps is better, because the balancing wheel is a rather fragile part. You take the clock in your hands. Let me try to do this, putting my phone down like this, and you rotate it clockwise and counterclockwise like this. And you can see that now the clock also runs. Important is the alarm setting hand. You need to set the alarm needle clockwise, always clockwise, never counterclockwise, because if you would move it counterclockwise, this nut will come off and the hand will fall off and you will have to put it back again. We don't want this. So again, we're going to put it at 1 o'clock. As you can see, there are arrows. This arrow shows you to wind the alarm, wind the timekeeping part counterclockwise, and this arrow shows you the alarm, winding time, winding alarm. This arrow shows you clockwise. Okay, we're going to wind it slowly and carefully, and when it can be wound no further, you can stop, or you only wind the alarm part a bit, whatever you prefer. You can wind the clock until the end. A good clock can handle that. I'm not going to do this now because it will freeze in the airplane, and shipping with completely wound springs is not good, so I'm not going to do that. We have set the alarm clockwise and we're going to set the time. Let me explain this in detail. We have moved the alarm hand clockwise, and we are also going to move the timekeeping hands clockwise. Again, sorry for the noise. This is to shut off the alarm. You simply move it further away clockwise and it will stop. If the sound of the alarm is dull or it doesn't work at all, you can slightly rotate the bell. You can rotate it, see? Because these bells are always oval in order to make the hammer strike harder or less hard, or not at all. Okay? Again, set the alarm hand. I'm going to put it at 3 o'clock. like this, approximately. Move the hour hand and the minute hand, timekeeping hands, clockwise. And that's all there is to it. Thanks.